Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Meenakshi again, and today I have come to this beautiful village called Sonaigaon. It's around 20 kilometers from Guwahati, and we have a goat farm out here. And today I have come here to collect some beautiful red lilies, which I have come to know it's there in a pond just behind me that side. So I'll be walking there, and also behind me is the rice field, paddy field. So much of greenery, it's beautiful, isn't it? And also you can see some green mountains behind me. So today I'll be collecting some red lilies for my home. So let's get started. So I'm walking towards the pond where I'll be getting the red lilies for my home. So basically it's not a road, it's a field through which I'm walking. I can see some cows ahead, and I have my guide along with me, Bhupenda. There he's sitting. I don't know whether he's visible from so far. He's waiting for me. So he'll be getting down on the pond to collect the lilies for me. There he is. So we were almost nearing the lily pond. This is the rice field. And this is the road I'm walking through. It's very muddy, but it's fine. Anything for those beautiful lilies. And that is Bhupenda. He'll be helping me out to get those lilies. So there is Bhupenda. He is getting down to get me the lilies. Guri pa uthabo laibo, huh? So these are wild lilies, and I'm taking them to plant in my home. I have done previously. So they grow beautifully on a artificial big tub if you plant it under favorable conditions, like if you have at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight on that area. I'll be showing you once I'm done at home how I have planted those. I have done this before when I was used to stay in Nasik and Mumbai. So there he has got it with the roots. And they adapt very well at home too. All you need to do is get a big tub filled with water and mud and plant it there. And keep it in a place where there is sunlight for at least 5 to 6 hours a day. Guri pra loise? Ekdom alu to loba laibo. To alu nohoy niki? Alu ase jano? Alu ase no? So when you're plucking the lilies, it has to come along with the roots, otherwise it won't survive. Ekdam talar alu to loba laibo. So I have got one. So probably he'll be getting one more for me. So there I am with Bhupenda. He got those red lilies for with me. I think I've got a lot of them. There you can see him there. There he is getting those lilies for me. What is it, Bhupenda? I think it's enough. So I'm carrying them. I'll be planting them at home. It's a beautiful sunny day. I can hardly open my eyes. So there I've got my lilies. And I'll plant them at home, and once they are planted, I'll be showing you how it does it at home. beautiful lotus along with me. Sorry, not lotus, it is lilies. And I'm carrying them home. It's beautiful. I'm running behind Bhuvanda. So that is our farm. You can see the small cute little farm ahead. So we are just reaching the farm now. Oh, I'm so excited about these flowers. There we have reached our farm. It's located in such a beautiful place. So now I'll be cutting the bigger leaves and we'll be carrying home only with the flowers, the flower buds and the smaller leaves. Mo kotari khon dibo. Bhuvanda, akol dighol pat kita kati diok. Akol dighol kita.
Kita.
Aru lok chuti koribo pare. Akol dighol kita. Gurita kati diok. Dighol kita nalage na. So basically I'm cutting the longer leaves, keeping the buds and the flowers so that I can plant them at home. So he'll be taking off the longer leaves. Dangor bro uthai diok sob. Khali koli kati ni dibo ako. I'm telling him, tar koli ase. I'm telling him not to cut the buds. এনেকে এটা এটা কৰি লওক পাতবিলাক ডাঙৰ এইবিলাক সব উঠাই দিয়ক हे डाঙৰ কেইটাও কাটি দিও এটো উঠাই দিও সেইকেইটা ডাঙৰ কেইটা কাটি দিও এই সৰু সৰুকে থাকিব দিব খালি কাটি দিও bas so I'll be carrying this to home alone and similarly with this also I'll be doing the same thing So what he's doing, he's basically sorting out the smaller leaves and he's cutting the big leaves so that I can carry home. I'll show you once it's done. It's becoming too long. So this is how it looks after clearing the bigger leaves. I have 3 of them, 1, 2 and 3. So once I'm back home, probably tomorrow morning I'll be planting it on my pot at home. That's it. Good morning everyone. I'm in my balcony and this is the view of my balcony in the morning. And I have planted the lilies yesterday at home. I did it yesterday at night because I didn't want it to kill the lilies by keeping it overnight outside. So these are the 3 plants. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. What I have done is I have just put mud on this tub which was already there. I've planted, and this is also bloomed. So the plants are alive and healthy. So I'll keep the tub like this for another 2-3 days. And later on I'll fill the tub with water up to here, up to the brim. Thank you everyone for watching the video.